Hey, if you want to change alarm sound on the POCO X6, first you will have to go to the settings. Now scroll down and open sound and vibration. From here select alarm. If you want to set your own song or sound, your custom, you will have to select choose local ringtone. But if you want to set the sound from your phone, click on the pre-installed ringtones, select alarm, and from here you can actually pick the different sounds. So for example this one. And after this you can just go back, and that's all. Right now please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.